Good morning, children. Today I am going to tell you about the threshold energy and activation energy. I have already told you that in the chemical kinetics we study about the chemical reaction. Now, every chemical reaction takes place when the reactant molecule collide with each other. But all the collisions are not effective. They only change into product when they have a particular amount of energy. That particular amount of energy which reactant molecule have, that is known by the name of a threshold energy. It is the minimum energy which the colliding molecule must have in order that the collision between them may be effective. All the effective collision result into product, but the collision takes place at room temperature are not effective. They should be supplied some extra energy either in the form of heat or light. That minimum energy which is only absorbed by reactant molecule so that the energy becomes equal to threshold energy is known by the name of activation energy. Now, there is a reaction profile and the concept of activated complex. Reaction profile is the path followed by reactant molecule to be converted in the form of product. I have explained it just by using a curve. This is a graph between potential energy and reaction coordinate. Reaction coordinate tells the path of reactant molecules. The reactant molecule will be converted in the form of product when they will cross a particular energy barrier. At this energy barrier, the formation of activated complex will be taking place. Then there will be evolution or absorption of heat will be taking place, and this will result in the form of product. Let me take an example. Suppose there are two molecules AA and BB. They are reacting with each other, they are colliding with each other, and they are forming activated complex ABAB. When they will cross this particular energy barrier, they will be changed into product 2AB. Similarly, I can take the example of reaction between H2 and I2. H2 and I2 will combine with each other just by absorbing certain amount of energy. They will form activated complex, and this activated complex will be resulted in the form of product. Now I will tell you about the temperature dependence of the reactant molecules. If we raise the temperature by 10 degrees Celsius, the rate of reaction becomes double or more than double. I will explain it with the help of graph and with the help of fraction of molecule.